गुड आफ्टरनुन नानीहरु। आज हामी एक्सरसाइज 3 चैप्टर 3 को क्वेशन आंसर गर्नेछौं MCQ. Okay, so there are multiple choice here and the 4 answers are given. You have to choose the correct one. So I'll read out only the correct one. Okay, so number 1 is the regular movement of ocean water from one part of the ocean to another are known as ocean current. Okay, correct answer is ocean current. Number 2, a very slow moving ocean current at 4 to 5 km per hour speed is called drift. Then number 3, the ocean current that flow from tropical region towards polar region are called warm current. The ocean current that flows from polar region towards the tropical region are called cold current. And number 5, in northern hemisphere, the ocean current due to Earth's rotation deflect to right direction. Okay, and the water of high salinity are denser and flow as undercurrent because it is heavy. The area where warm and cold ocean currents meets are ideal as commercial fishing ground. Number 8, the warm occasional Pacific surface, oceanal Pacific surface water along the coast of Ecuador and the Peru is known as El Nino. Okay, and then the highest high tide are known as spring tide. Number 10 questions, the interval between the two high tides, primary and the secondary tide, is about 12 hours 16 minutes. Okay, so these 10 questions are multiple choice and let's come to true false. Number 1, when the moon lies at the closest position to the earth is called apogee. Is it true or false? So this is false. Okay, then next question, a high tide wave near the mouth of a river is known as tidal bore. That is true. The temperature of the equatorial sea is cooler than the polar areas. That is false. The cold Labrador current and warm Gulf Stream meet up the coast of Brazil. False. A wave is caused by friction of wind is true. Fog is a common feature at the coast where warm current exists. False. The periodic rise and fall of sea waves are called waves. That is false. And on a full moon day, the sun and the moon are almost in a straight line position with the earth. That is true. The low latitudes, low tides are called secondary tides. False. And the sun is about 20 million times bigger than the moon. That is true. Okay, so these 10 questions are true false. And let's come to fill in the blanks. That also comes for 1 marks question. Okay, number 1, when the sun and the moon are at the right angle to each other is in rotation into the earth dash tide, that is neap tide, are formed. Okay, number 2, the melting of ice can add fresh water making the sea water dash saline, that is less saline. The average speed of a drift is about dash kilometer. 3 to 4 km per hour is the answer. The dash do not have any onward motion, that is waves. The cold current flows along the dash level of ocean, that is lower level of ocean. In southern hemisphere, the ocean current deflect in and dash direction, anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and the water of high salinity dash and heavier. The water of high salinity are cold and heavier. Okay, the gravitational pull of the dash and the dash on the earth cause tides moon and sun cause the tides. Number 9, on a dash moon day, the earth lies between the sun and the moon, that is full moon. The ocean current moves at slow speed of 1.5 meter per second in the deep ocean. This much is your fill in the blanks. Then comes match the column. 4 marks को प्रश्न आउँछ तिमीहरुलाई match the column. यहाँ मैले म्याच गरेर देखाइदिएको छु अनि यो म्याच गरेको कलम चाहिँ तिमीहरुले के गर्छौ आफै घरमा गर्छौ. ओके, याद गर्छौ. सो यहाँसम्म भयो तिमीहरुको च्याप्टर 3 को अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेशन आन्सर. अब अरु क्वेशन आन्सर तिमीहरुले आफ्नो डेस्क वर्कबाट गर्छौ अनि याद गर्छौ. सो आजलाई यति नै. अब 4th च्याप्टर नेक्स्ट क्लासमा म तिमीहरुलाई के गर्ने छु बताउ.